We've had rain for the last 2 days here in central Indiana, and that rain gets us off to a wet start for the month of March. Have had a half-inch of rainfall in Muncie and almost an inch of rain in Bloomington, and we got a little bit of a rainfall surplus to start the month of March after some dry weather to end the month of February. We have that wind advisory that goes in effect until 5 o'clock on Thursday morning for winds that'll gust 30 miles per hour. We'll see a couple of 40 and 50-mile-an-hour gusts out there tonight as well, with that strong area of low pressure sticking around. We'll stay with snow showers through the evening across central Indiana. Maybe some slick spots out there on the bridges and overpasses. Snow showers will taper off this evening, but the gusty winds will stay with us for the overnight period. Going to find her low temperature in the low and middle 20s tomorrow, so a chilly day at the bus stop with a wind chill in the teens to get the day started. We'll have strong northwest winds, 20 to 25 miles per hour tomorrow, and that's going to keep us chilly. I think we'll see clouds and flurries early in the day, a little bit more in the way of sunshine coming up late tomorrow afternoon. And we'll get the high temperature in the middle 40s. That's a little bit cooler than we should be for this time of the year. Another rain-snow mix develops for us early on Friday morning. We'll see a mix of rain and snow showers just in time for the morning rush hour. That quick blast of moisture is going to move out, and Friday will be a dry day of weather before some rain moves in for us coming up on Friday night. A couple of scattered showers are going to be likely. In the forecast over the next 7 days, going to see our temperatures go back and forth in the 40s on Thursday and Friday, in the 40s on Saturday. We warm things up on Sunday to a high temperature at 52, and then early next week at the high temperature in the upper 60s will be close to 70 by Tuesday afternoon. See a chance of showers and storms by Wednesday with a high at